Hello guys, good day to everyone. Just a quick update regarding dun sa last trade ko with regards to CAD CHF. Bali, na-hit na yung trailing stop ko with 80 pips. So bali, dito pa lang sa candle na to is na hit na yung trailing stop, then umangat. Then from here last time na nandyan yung trailing stop ko eh. Then binaba ko pa ng konti. Yun, na-hit din sana siya sa mga 60 pips. So, I'm totally out of this trade now, guys. And then, last trade ko na lang is yung Euro GBP. So, currently still at 180 pips. Nasa 232 pips na siya floating. And, yan. Sana dumiretso pa siya pababa. But if ma-break niya to, then hit na rin yung trailing stop ko with 180 pips. So, I think yun lang muna guys. Then, I will keep you posted once may tinake ako ng new trades. Thank you guys and keep safe everyone.